Am I the only one who didn't know these numbers were real? I'm talking street-legal, factory-built monsters. Let's count down the kings of combustion. 5. Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170, 1025 GP on E85, America's drag strip sledgehammer. 4. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus, 1578 GP from a quad-turbo W16, silk meets sledge. 3. Koenigsegg Jesko, up to 1600 GP on E85, a Swedish V8 that screams to the moon. 2. SSC Tuatara, about 1750 GP on E85, slippery, savage, and singular. And at 1, Hennessy Venom F5, 1817 GP twin-turbo V8, Texas-built Thunder, all factory, all road legal. Which one would you dare to daily? Drop your pick in the comments.